This is a 2012 Toyota Tundra. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, an illuminated entry system, a sliding rear window, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Don McGill Toyota of Katy is located at 2155 Katy Freeway in Katy. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.